Right, so you produce loads of videos and you've downloaded them onto your machine, but you don't know what's happened to the videos that you've created in Clipchamp. And you might have been into Clipchamp a few times. So if you go into Clipchamp and scroll down, you can see all your videos there. The ones that are blank there, that's because they've been deleted. The original content's been deleted, so it can't actually pull anything from anywhere. So that's how you find your videos you've created in Clipchamp. There's a playlist at the end with more content regarding Clipchamp.